now we've got the chakras of the UK. Now, I also looked at the ley line energies of the UK as well on the next slide. But for the moment, I want to look here at where the root is. The root, as you can see, is in London. Now, when we think about how many people from all around the globe come to London, we've got a rainbow of knowledge of people, different religions, nations. Everybody is drawn to London. And it's because we have that glorious root energy. People can feel grounded, earthed, safe in what they do. But that energy is upset at the moment. So you look at where our next energy is, and we've got the sacral. The sacral, as you can see there, is round about this Cambridge area. It's Bury St Edmunds. And when you look at that little alignment there, I'll show you on the next slide, because the sacral, the root, and the heart are all connected. And that is actually on the St Michael line, if people know about the ley line energies. This is part of the St Michael line that runs up here. Now you've got to think that those little dots on that map are not just a little dot either. They can radiate from 60 to 100-mile radius. So you've got to think it's quite a wide range, okay? And then you have the solar plexus. This is coming into the Midlands area. I know it's on Birmingham there, but it's coming into the Midlands area, where there's been a lot of, I would say, relationship energy, turmoil, people not knowing where they're going, how they're feeling. And then you have the sacral. You know, the sacral energy, again, is coming here. I've said about the sacral, haven't I? Sorry. Go back. Solar plexus. Right, heart. So when you come to the heart energy, this also is the beginning of the belliness line. And the belliness line is known as the backbone of Britain. And this belliness line runs up from this heart chakra all the way up through the Midlands and up here to what we know is our crown chakra. Now, you wonder then why the brow is up here in Newcastle. Now, the brow is connected to the meridian line from Greenwich. So you have this energy from London that goes up here through the throat and up here through to the brow. So you've got to make the connection yourself between these chakra energies, what they mean. So when it's connected like that from the root to the throat to the brow, we have that energy that is grounding us, what we're speaking, hearing, feeling, and then you have the brow energy, which is the awakening. That's all on the meridian line, the Greenwich meridian line. And Spirit always take me on travels. And they took me up the meridian line. I ended up in Paddington looking for a new home. I went down that same day to Cleethorpes. And I thought, what am I doing in Cleethorpes? The meridian line is in Cleethorpes. I then had to take a bus to Louth. Louth is also on the meridian line. So it's no strange point that I go on these strange spiritual journeys and then they tell me afterwards the story and the meaning, Spirit does, of where I've been and what I'm doing. So this is how I've got this journey about the chakras, because I've dowsed these and then the meaning came later. Now on the next slide you can see here how the energy lines transpose with the chakras. So you have that this energy line here, which is the meridian line. You have this energy here, which is the belliness line. This one here is what I'm connected to originally, because it's where I come from in Anglesey, and it's the Druid Line. And the Druid Line resonates with me very strongly because Anglesey was the last known bastion of the Druid school in the UK, going back to the Roman times. And the reason it resonates with me is because it also goes straight across here through Lincolnshire and through the peaks. Now, you remember me mentioning the peaks at the beginning with the world chakras? Well, this is also connecting to that spiritual energy of the brow and the awakening. So it does all connect. So we've got to think about the interconnection of the world, the UK, the energy lines that we've got within the UK and how they connect to us.